In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload 360 degrees videos on Vimeo. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to start by opening up Vimeo. Make sure you log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, I suggest creating one. It's free and easy to do. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see a button labeled New. Go ahead and click on that. After clicking New, a drop-down menu will appear. You'll want to select the Upload option from this menu. This will take you to the Upload page where you can start the process for adding your 360 degrees video. Now at this point, you should choose where you want to save the video on Vimeo. Think about whether you want it in a specific folder for easy access later. If you have organized folders, choose the one that makes sense for your video. Next up, look for the Choose Files button. Click on that, and this will prompt you to navigate through your computer's files. Locate the 360 degrees video that you want to upload. Remember, it's essential that this video has the correct 360 degrees metadata already embedded. If you're unsure how to do that, it might be something to consider looking into before your upload. Once you've found your video file, select it to begin the upload process. Now, don't worry if you don't see anything happening right away. Vimeo takes some time to upload your video, especially with larger files, so be patient. You'll see a progress bar that will show you how much of the video has been uploaded. One of the best things about Vimeo is that it will automatically detect the 360 degrees metadata once your file is correctly prepared. If your upload is successful, you'll know it's detected by seeing a 360 degrees badge that will appear next to your video title after processing is complete. Once the video file has finished uploading, it's time for you to add a title. Think of a catchy or appropriate title that reflects the content of your video. This will help viewers understand what to expect. You might also want to include a description. This is a great place to give additional context about your 360 degrees video. Talk about what the viewers are going to experience, or anything they might need to know before diving in. Keep in mind that a standout description can improve your video's visibility and encourage viewers to watch. Now, as you're finishing up, don't forget to choose your privacy setting. Do you want your video to be public, or perhaps unlisted so only those with a link can watch it? Decide what feels right for you and your audience. After all this is done, it's time to wait yet again. Vimeo will process your video, which can take a bit of time depending on the file size and platform load. Just hang tight. This is a crucial step to ensure your video is ready for a smooth viewing experience. Once processing is complete, you can open your uploaded video. Take a moment to check everything is as it should be. This is where you'll look for that all-important 360 degrees badge next to the video title. If you see it, that's a good sign. Lastly, when you play your video, move your mouse or use the arrow keys to look around the 360 degree space. Make sure everything looks good and that the 360 degrees features are working correctly. This is your opportunity to experience the video the way your viewers will. And there you have it, friends. You've successfully uploaded a 360 degrees video on Vimeo. If you found this process simple and helpful, make sure to hit that like button and consider subscribing for more video tutorials. Happy uploading, and I'll see you in the next